everyone, it's Summer from Cosmic Crochet Reviews, and today I will be repacking the Jujube Mini Bee for my 2-year-old. Here's a quick on-the-body look, and for reference, I am 5'3", 130 pounds. This bag might look really tiny, but it's the perfect everyday essential bag for you and your little one. So let's get started. As I mentioned before, this is the Jujube Mini Bee in the print Sushi cars, and if you've been with my channel since day one, you'll know that this is one of my absolute favorite Jujube prints. It's so bright and so colorful. At the top we have a small grab handle, and on the sides we have 2 elastic cup holders. On this side I only have an Aquaphor, and you can usually put diaper ointment in here as well. This is just the Aquaphor one. And on the other side, I have a Munchkin 360 cup, and this is the size large, so you can see that it fits a pretty wide cup. On the back of the bag, we have 2 padded backpack straps, and this is something that Jujube is famous for. They're really comfortable to wear, and you can adjust them. This bag also features a really nice padded back with a cute star design, so when you're wearing this, you are not uncomfortable at all. Going around to the front of the bag, we have the Tokidoki and Jujube metal nameplate on top of our front pocket, which has a magnetic clasp. And in here, I just keep some wipes. I have 2 different kinds. I have some boogie wipes, and I have some Medela quick clean wipes. And I have one more thing stuffed in here, and I just brought it out just because I was being silly, but I had an empty cookie wrapper. I think that's been in there for a while, and I didn't realize it. One other cute thing that I'd like to note is these adorable little zipper pulls. This is something that's on all of the Jujube Tokidoki bags. Let's open up the main compartment and see what we have. On both sides of the bag, you have these mini gussets so that you can open up your zipper all the way down to the very bottom, and your bag or your front of your bag will not fall over. So this is very different from your Jujube BRB. At the top of the bag, I just have my Kipling wallet. I also have a pair of socks that I have rolled up, an extra change of clothes, and these are both size 2T or 24 months. I can't remember which, but they're about similar in size, so they are much larger. I also have packed up 6 diapers, and if my son is going over to either my in-laws or my mother's house, I'll be taking this bag with me, and they'll need about that many diapers. I have about a 3/4 pack full of Huggies wipes. I also have a bib packed up. This is the Jujube Be Neat in the print Iconic 2.0. This is the Jujube Be Set in the print Forget Me Not, and in this video I'm using both the large and small set piece. I've got a microfiber cloth, some Q-tips, antibacterial wet wipes for your hands, and a nose bulb. I also have the small pouch with some nail clippers and various other things. I have some band-aids, nail clippers for myself, a pair of scissors, and some hand lotion. And the last thing that I have is my son's, or one of his favorite books. This is The Tooth Book by Theo Lesage. Really good book, crazy book, but it's a good one. And in the back of the bag we have this nice and small zipper pocket, and it's a pretty small zipper compartment, but it's large enough for me to stick my hand into, as you can see here, and all I have is just my new lip tint by Revlon. That's all that I have packed up in this bag, and that's usually all that I need now for my 2-year-old. I have a completely different packing style from before. I'm not so much a pouch packer except for my emergency or my med kit. And now you get to watch me repack everything in twice the speed. Thanks for watching. first started making videos, he was a really itsy bitsy baby that I could baby wear on my front. Now he's really, really big. Can you say hello? Oh, sorry. He just woke up from his nap, so he's really grumpy, but I wanted to show you.